Fun times in the great outdoors, ideas for your camping adventures. Camping is one of America's greatest traditions, however, many people make common mistakes when venturing out to the great outdoors. The following video has some helpful advice on how you can make your next camping trip more enjoyable while also remaining as safe as possible. Read on to learn some key camping tips. Bring a large trash bag for dirty laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. If you are camping and the weather is starting to rise significantly, tell the coolers that you have with you and put them somewhere in the shade. It will also help to keep them covered with some type of tarp. This will keep the temperature inside the cooler from rising too much. When you are heading out for that long-awaited camping trip, don't forget to take along your cell phone. You may be tempted to leave all the texting and calls behind, but your cell phone can be one of your most important safety lifelines in the event of an emergency. Make sure it is fully charged and keep it protected from the elements in a plastic bag or waterproof case. Don't miss the opportunity to add swimming activities to your next camping trip. Anytime you go camping, you are likely to miss taking a shower. Cool water will make you feel clean and fresh, so you may not miss your shower at all. As you now know from the video above, camping is not simply driving out into the wilderness without proper planning. Rather, there are many important things to consider when venturing out to the great outdoors. Keep the tips you've just read on hand and implement them the next time you decide to go camping. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.